And those are the sights and sounds out of Houston, where still hundreds of thousands are without power this morning. Let's take a closer look right now at those power outages in Texas.
Yeah, you're going to want to be a little careful if you are traveling during the morning hours in and around Houston. But as we head into the afternoon, like Ariella said, we are going to start to see that sun. Unfortunately, those storms have to go somewhere. That energy continues to eject further east, and while some of these storms mean business.
Lots of storminess across the southeast. And then we're watching two storms here in tandem moving across Canada, but that's also sweeping with it some fronts here across the north central. We're not getting cooler behind these fronts. Temperatures will still be very warm across the region this weekend.
If we look at what our temperatures are going for the start of the weekend, Minneapolis.
From the Florida Panhandle up to the Carolinas, wind and hail will be the main threats when it comes to severe weather, but flash flooding is another big concern.
Yeah, the thunderstorms with additional heavy rain will linger on Sunday, with isolated stronger storms across the central and southern tier of Florida.
Let's take you out heavy rainfall across parts of the southeast, where Montgomery has really picked up the most over the last 24 hours. But a stripe of dark green here on the screen, bringing us some of those heaviest amounts over the last 24 hours. And that's where we've seen ongoing.
Yeah, unfortunately, we have the green on the board. And when we have the green, we are talking about some active weather. This case, thunderstorms still erupting across parts of the southeast. High pressure, though, building in behind it. You'll note that wind energy that was really fueling a lot of these thunderstorms picking up and really just pumping that moisture coming in from the Gulf. It lessens a little bit as we head into Sunday, but we still have some energy here to contend with and play around with. So we are still tracking that threat for thunderstorms and dew points. That moisture sticks around, so you'll certainly still feel a little swampy there even as we head into the beginning of the week. Future radar, I'm going to pick this up right where Ariella left off. This is Sunday morning. Maybe you have any early Sunday plans. A little stormy, so not necessarily going to be widespread to start off our Sunday, though those clouds will certainly be hanging on across most of the southeast. Though you'll see some peaks of sun by the afternoon. The storms, though, don't quite go away. We head into Monday. Now, highs this week, if we look at the numbers, it's going to be hot. I mean, anywhere from...
Story number one, as I mentioned, severe weather does return.
Yeah, on the heels of this severe weather, that moves offshore in the southeast.
Update.
All right, much needed drying there across the south central. Though it is very intriguing, I would say snow.
Snow. I also think snow is very annoying. You have to clean off your car. You have to make sure, the roads are cleared, and that's out of a lot of people's control.
It requires more from us.
Yes. More people said wind